So this power bank was $5 with free shipping. So I kinda doubt it will have 10,000 milliamp hours. I don't know. I don't know if I trust the A+ brand. But let's look at the specs. English. Power bank A+, 10,000 milliamp hours. 2 USB ports, power indicator, charges 2 devices simultaneously, assuming that it has enough charge. Here is in Romanian, Belgian, Hungarian. And yeah, here are the specifications exactly. So the total output is 2.1 amps. That's credible. But the input, if the input is 2 amps, then it has to have several battery cells, or just one good cell. I mean, with recent technology, not something old, recycled, reused, whatever. And the weight is 2 bars of chocolate, 225 grams. Okay. Wait, the product code is 594. I think that means it was made in Romania, locally. What? Kind of strange. Whatever. Oh, made in China, it says here. Then why is the product code like this? I don't know. Whatever. Let's just see what's inside. It's shrink wrapped, and I think you're supposed to open the top. Probably. So let's open it here. Take off the foil. Oh, one more. Tamper proof, so you can know if somebody opened this already. I cut it. Now let's see. The handle falls out. And here's the battery bank. Wow! Even a cable for $5. Micro USB. And maybe it's a data cable because the USB plug has all 4 contacts. I'd have to try that out. Okay. Let's see. Well, it's plastic. Here is probably the indicator LED. You have to press a button. And nothing. Nothing. Yeah. Must be completely empty. So yeah, it has I think this is an input, USB Type-C and micro USB-C. That's how it's called. Yeah, probably. And this is micro USB. Okay, and 2 normal USB ports. So let's see. Usage and notice. Please use the mobile original charger or 5-volt quality charger for charging the power bank. Please do not use irregular charger. Yeah, because you'll have a charger with irregular written on it, so you'll know it's irregular. Okay, our power banks have many different models used in different ways. There are 3 ways to turn on the LED light. Press the switch button, Press switch button 1 time. Press switch button 2 times in a row. Long press switch button. Yeah, this is useless. So, where's the LED? Oh, yeah, okay. It just flashed. It's 3 out of 4. And if I press, long press 5 seconds, it doesn't do anything. Oh, now it's just 2. But if I pressed it once, then it will stay on. Okay, that's good to know. How do I turn it off? Long press. No, I think it will turn off automatically. Or try 2 press. Yeah, 2 press. So you press it twice and it flashes. Press it twice, flashes. Once. Okay, so you have to press it once and twice to disappear. Once, twice. Okay, I think I got that. It's good to know, because those LEDs do consume some power. So long story short, this is about 50% full. That's okay. That's normal for any battery to arrive with 20 to 50% full. That's absolutely okay. The model PBXT63, capacity, output, okay. I can't really test the output nor the input right now. I'll have to get an adapter for that measures the amperage, but yeah, I will post another video about this power bank once I charge it and maybe even tear it down, and then I will give you more information.